Welcome back to the channel. This is another video for when you accidentally delete messages and would like to get the conversation back on your iPhone. Usually, your messages contain the important texts, photos, documents, attachments and more that you can't afford to delete by mistake or lose suddenly. Don't worry, we've put together 4 methods to help you recover the messages, even you don't have iCloud backup or iTunes backup. The first method is to go head to the recently deleted folder built into Messages app. This is the easiest way of recovering iPhone deleted messages when your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later iOS version. Now, tap Edit or Filters at the top of Messages app. Choose Recently Deleted. Here, you can see your messages that were deleted in the past 30 days, meaning that you can recover your deleted text messages instantly without having to use iCloud backup, which requires you to factory reset your phone totally clean. So, you can tap on the messages you want back, and tap Recover to move the conversations back to your message inbox in just a second. Alright, guys, there may chance that you haven't get your text messages back, because you permanently deleted the messages and could find nothing in the recently deleted album. This is another story, but there's hope. A recovery software tool will come in handy for the text messages you've deleted or lost from an iPhone, especially there's no backup either in iCloud or on computer, and we're going to use AppGeeker iPhone Data Recovery Utility for the task, which can be downloaded from officialappgeeker.com or by clicking the free download link in the description section below. This recovery tool is going to access the internal memory of your phone, and pull out the text messages, letting us know all are still intact and recoverable. Alright, here a great tip for you guys. To increase the chance of retrieving deleted iPhone messages, you'd better stop using your phone once you realize the deletion or loss of the conversations. If you continue to use the device, the deleted messages will be overwritten randomly and smashed inside the database. Then the chances of recovery go down and until to 0. Okay, may you have text messages that have been deleted a few days or months ago? You could also try this iPhone data recovery software before giving up. Alright, let's go ahead and open iPhone Data Recovery Tool on the computer to recover the text messages. A Windows PC or Mac is okay here. Don't worry, using the file recovery program to recover the text will not overwrite or affect any other data currently on your iPhone. It's totally safe to use. Okay, choose Recover from iOS device mode. Then, use the charging cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. And click the Start Scan button to initiate the free scan. Here we'll just wait for the deep scan to finish. So, when it's finished, you can go ahead to click on Messages category on the left sidebar to preview all of the existing and deleted text messages on the software window like this. You can see all texts and even the attachments in a conversation thread. Once you find the text messages that you want back, whether it's an entire thread or an individual text, simply select them, and click the Recover button and get your text messages back without any hassle. When prompts, choose a path on your computer to save the recovered messages locally. That's done, your messages including the texts, photos, emojis, videos, attachments, and documents are back. Hopefully the above 2 methods help you recover your deleted messages on iPhone without a backup file. If any of you have an iCloud backup or computer backup that was made before your text messages disappeared, then watch the video till the end as we're going to show you how to use a backup to restore iPhone messages. The only caveat is that restoring iPhone with a backup will restore the device to factory settings, and put it back to point where the backup was made so the text messages can be restored. You may lose any newer data that was added since after the backup copy, but at least, your important messages and attachments are back in front of you. Okay, if you regularly sync your iPhone with iCloud, you can go to Settings, tap General, choose Transfer or Reset at the bottom. Then tap on Erase All Content and Settings to let your iPhone reset to its factory defaults. When finished, swipe up the Hello screen, go through the setup process, and once you see the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, choose from iCloud Backup. Continue to enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your iCloud account, and choose the most recent backup that you're sure that it contains your deleted messages. Then, the restore process should begin. Just wait for the whole process to finish, and you should have your text messages restored to Messages app peacefully. For those who backed up the messages on the computer, now open iTunes. If you use a Mac with Mac OS Catalina, open Finder, and the process is exactly the same. Then, connect iPhone to the computer, and tap Trust on your device if asked. On iTunes window, Click the tiny device icon at the top left position, then choose Summary on the left pane. Next, click Restore Backup button, then pick the most recent and relevant backup from which you can retrieve the messages you deleted by mistake. Finally, click Restore button to complete the iPhone SMS recovery process. Again, this is very similar to restoring the iCloud backup onto your iPhone. Your device will return to a state when the backup was made before deleting the messages. That's all about the effective ways to recover deleted text messages from iPhone, without using a backup or with a backup. Accidentally deleting or losing messages or any data can be a nightmare, and I wish all you guys are able to get the texts back. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Let us know down below the comments section if you have any questions or ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next video.